guys.
So yeah, another Roblox video.
I'm kind of laggy.
Okay, and also I swear, very soon gonna make a third part of the FNAF World series. Okay, just wait, we're doing this now, right? Okay.
We'll do it later in this video of Five Nights at Freddy's one. I'm getting my car right
Dude,
now.
I saying that I series that FNAF World. Okay, maybe okay then. So my friend has a channel.
Guys, I'm bald.
Okay, you're bald. Nice. Okay,
Where are you?
So this game, like, what's this objectives game? It's basically destroy cars.
Hello.
I'm in the truck.
You saw me?
No. And also, this video may be chaotic.
Huh?
I think you're not gonna realize suckers. Okay.
And later in this video, I might start what's it called? A vlog in my channel. Eric, he would put my channel in the description.
Sure.
We'll pop it up in the title.
Okay, yep, it's my best friend's whole name, and yeah.
I think I changed it.
Yeah, I think.
Come on, Eric, come down.
It could be the first thing I had to edit.
Eric, where are you?
I don't know. Where are you? No what?
I see you. You should really go away from me.
Because I don't know where to
Right
go.
here.
Oh, hello there, mister. Okay, we gotta go now.
Guys, just pause the video. Me passing, you see me bald.
Yes, you see him bald because I
Come on,
can't.
Eric.
Because pulling the brakes. A comic. Then.
Come on, over here.
And I missed. Hooray! I'm so loser. Come.
Ah! What the hell? Your car don't fit in there. I see you! I see you! Ah!
Hey, my car still works. My car still works. Yay!
I'm in the back.
I have another car that looks nice.
Okay, let's go get it.
Yeah. He dishing no, he's the scratches thing. You know what I'm talking about, guys? I'm just talking about something. Okay, where's that car, man? Where is it? I need to find it. God, my game is laggy. Hippie hip hooray. Hippie hip hooray. Game? Good. No! Now the one you, mister. I won. Why? Stop! Yes, this is it. Okay, you know, like those cars that like you know, like some of those cars.
Where
like,
are you?
It's like game. Are you? Yes, and also my best friend's channel is gonna be linked in the description.
Hello.
Oh, you just.
Where are we going? Go to road 2.
Road 2. Okay, let's go to road 2.
It's this way.
You never catch real life, sucker.
Come on.
Are we doing this version? There's no.
Bye. Bye. Have a good time.
No, you gotta. Okay.
Ah!
There's no chance, dude. I'm pulling the brakes.
Oh, I have a chance.
You know, because you die. My car died. When this thing is that bulldozer? What is that? It just come out of nowhere.
I still have a chance, guys.
No, he doesn't. He died.
Do you guys want to go watch us play Five Nights at Freddy's right now?
I met a series, dude. I met like a game called FNAF World, and I'm doing like a 2-part series. So yeah.
No, like let's do a Five Nights at Freddy's one right now.
Right now. Like, what do you mean? Like making a FNAF like a Roblox game of it?
A Roblox Five Nights at Freddy's game.
Okay. I guess this is gonna be nice. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. We're in a different game instead of the other game we get to play.
We kind of changed up plans. We were gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's, but we changed to Shark Bite.
Oh god, a Mosasaurus.
Those are fast, I think.
Oh shoot. Get our boats and get my boat.
I'm about to start my intro.
Go.
Eric's gonna add my
go. I'm not.
thing in the description.
Ouch.
You already died.
Yes. Hi, Mister. Yes, we're gonna play this game again. I know the last video we played this game. This is my friend. Yes, he's a strong man. He's going to touch my toes now. It was gonna take for him to download this thing, or maybe for him to just. He's almost done, I think. Well, a shark health more like a Mosasaurus health because we're flipping big old Mosasaurus being in my property. Welcome to Shark Bite. So you're gonna start your intro, Will?
Okay, shh.
Alright.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is my friend Eric, and he's vlogging on his channel.
Yeah.
Today we're playing Shark Bite. Is that right, Eric?
Yep. Okay. Yeah. Yes, we're doing it.
And I'm gonna add him in the description.
Yeah, you can check me out. I need to scratch thing.
He's vlogging right now, and then there's gonna be 2 separate videos.
Yay! And also some of the recording maybe some, and also some of the recording maybe some off camera. And of course he won because it was the Mosasaurus.
I fell.
All right, Will. So I'm going to invite you, okay?
No, I'm gonna invite you. Have
Okay.
this boat.
Okay.
Have the banana peel.
Not that again. I was playing my own in this game and someone has that boat. Mr. Rayful Rafters game. No, eat sharks. Tell me now. What's that means?
Oh, don't listen to that stuff.
Oh yeah. I just did sure.
This is coming soon.
Yeah, Shark Bite 2.
And we're gonna vlog it.
Yeah, when it comes out.
I invited you.
Okay, join. Wow, whoop.
Oh, let's use this boat.
That boat? Okay. Some people are trying to join you. I think it's actually some people trying to join me as well. I think that's us popular.
The video hasn't came out yet.
Well, what? I don't know. It's like me saw us. Oh my God, it's Eric. Oh, they just saw us.
We're gonna vlog when the chapter 2 comes out.
What?
That's gonna be our next vlog probably.
Oh, like Shark Bite 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope it's not a big fish.
Or okay, she's a regular shark. I think she's met the Mosasaurus. That's the big fish was coming. Okay, we have to kill 8 pricks to the Mosasaurus shark. I think about Jurassic World
It's right
here.
there.
Oh.
I'm not going that way.
I didn't shoot at it. Dude, are you gonna speed up? Do you know some of the volume so loud? My voice is starting to have a crack now, hooray.
I suck you.
You shot me, mister? I'm going to shoot you now. I'm shoot you.
And later in this video, we're gonna do a face reveal and play Makachow.
Actually, I think I need to actually have to end it.
Why?
Because I don't know if I can just squeeze another recording in.
We can.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, please.
Oh, I shot myself.
And plus, I can just do it already if you've been attention. If you pay attention a little bit, the thing you may know me if if you see me screw. Everyone always does face review. I'll do this soon, so that's not gonna be, so I'm probably not gonna do because I'm maybe who.
Was that the shark?
I think I might be also. Oh, I want to also. Oh, shoot, it's coming here. I'm gonna see if I can shoot it. Then I lost it. Oh no, he's gonna catch us. Run. I should switch another gun.
No, this is the boat that the shark is going to.
Yeah, I gotta switch another gun because this gun sucks. What's going on? What's going on? Ah! Oh shit! Wait, why are you upset? How did that happen? How'd that happen, dude?
How do we flip?
I don't know. We need to fill it up because we're gonna run out of oxygen. We're running out of oxygen, dude.
Jump off!
Come back for me.
The boat's done.
Dude, why? Oh my god. I'm going to die because the shark's gonna sense me.
Here, get on top of this boat.
I'm trying to because... Oh no. If I die because of... I think I'm gonna die because...
The shark was literally right behind us.
Yeah, I think so. Please, let me in. I want to live. Don't lower it over here, dude. Don't lower it. It's... And my screen stuck to me. Ah! Wait, you're killing the shark, I think.
Huh?
We're going to survive, Will. We're going to survive. Man, I'm gonna go to this island.
No, don't leave me.
Yes, I will. I'm sorry. Well, someone got the treasure. They can't actually just Oh, I gotta go. And it's dead. The shark has been murdered. Hooray.
Jump in the water, we could die.
Yay, that's not really it. That's kind of messed up. Haha, he lost. Ha. Okay, I think that guy's cursed.
Look, we're on the leaderboard.
Yay, we survived. Our names are Mac McQueen, Eric, and yeah.
I want to see how much is the banana boat.
Wait, what do they say? Pear? Banana boat. Make
I
it.
want the banana jet ski.
Jet ski? How much it costs?
Like $799.
No, it's not. It's not. It costs like.
Look at the jet skis.
Yeah, it's not. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh! Wait, you're a shark?
I guess you're by yourself, buddy.
Are you sure about that? Cause someone wants me in.
I guess you're with your buddy.
Right.
No one's gonna kill me, cause I'm gonna win.
Oh, I'm a big boat.
I'm gonna go after the boat.
Oh shit, he knows what boat gonna be
If
in.
you wanna leave, you can. Too late.
Okay, alright crew. We gotta kill this kid. Oh, my friend, I guess. Oh no, my friend's gonna kill me. This is the moment of truth, guys. Alright, who's gonna be the captain? You'll be the captain. We're gonna be the shooters of the cashews. The shark has been released. Dude, carry it up. The shark is gonna kill me. Oh, my friend's going to kill me because he's now the shark if you read the instructions. Dude, who's gonna... You flipping bad driver. This thing doesn't even... No, boat. This boat's feeling so slow.
I see a ducky boat.
Go that boat instead of us because I don't want to get murdered. We need to win this one.
Damn, I missed it.
I should have been there some other boat instead
I see your boat.
Wait, what? Oh, okay, we gotta be somewhere else. Dude, hurry up, man. I'm flipping. Oh shoot, I'm dead. Oh my god. No, Shimon. No, why? No. Spare me first. Spare. Oh well.
I told you I was
This
gonna
is
kill
my
you.
friend. He's just here setting. He killed his own friend, man. How dare he? He's killed his own friend. That's illegal.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Oh my god, impossible video.
What? You didn't want people to see you die?
I died multiple times in this game. I have it in my video, in my other video. Prefer going to. What did you say to me? What did you say to me? Die now, die. Okay, sorry. Here's my friend. I see your. He's character. Yeah, it's just like that because Okay, go here. Go over here, Mister. Go over here, Mister.
Oh
Okay.
look, I found the Titanic.
Oh, wait, you found the Titanic? Let's see. Let's see, that's Titanic. Oh, no, actually, that's about dead. You tried this game? Yes, you are.
Yeah.
We will add to 100.
I guess.
Yep.
Oh, God dang.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, guys, I'm going on the ground.
Yep, you're going in the ground. And also, when I press the store, I do have the store. And also, if you really want to have something called, and also, it may play this game again, but something. Alright, fanboy, you can do this. Kill my friend and I'll survive for my friend. Okay, you kill them. Run, mister. Oh my god, he threw rockets on you. Jesus, dude, I think she's messing with him because he has flipping what? Huh? Rockets. That's what I was to say. Rockets. A presence. That's what I should say. Present. Go attack them, Mr. Shark. I can get you by. This shark's like, come over here, fishy. The shark's like, I want you to follow my information. Show me further steps.
Where is this man?
Oh god, no, follow my moose. Sorry, fast. I see that guy. Okay, you're good, man. Okay, yeah. You got him?
Oh no, I did it!
Oh shoot, he's actually hitting you.
Boosting. Boost.
You have a couple seconds left. So you're going to lose at this game.
This man's juking me out of nowhere.
Okay, so far you're doing well.
Oh my god!
Okay then. Oh dearness.
Ate you, bruh.
No, you're gonna lose. Bye. You're gonna die now.
Wait, guys, someone texted me.
Time's up.
At least I killed Eric. Wait, guys, I'm gonna end the video right now. Someone texted me.
This guy is very glad. I think we're on the Spanish server. Okay, guys, we're going to end the video there. Yes, we go. I've got my voice. We're going to end the video there. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, and it was like a flipping 18-minute video, I hope you enjoy it and enjoy it. I died the inside and we flipped and yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for notifications. And as always, see you in the next video. Bye.